Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to play Call of Duty Mobile on PC with keyboard and mouse. First, you will need an Android emulator, which allows your computer to run mobile applications. GameLoop is the official and most recommended emulator for Call of Duty Mobile, ensuring a smooth experience. However, other options like BlueStacks or LD Player also offer good performance. Next, let's get GameLoop installed. Head over to the official GameLoop website and download the installer file. Once downloaded, simply run the installer and follow the clear, step-by-step instructions provided. The process is quick, usually taking only a few minutes. After successful installation, launch the GameLoop application to proceed with setting up your game. Now, let's dive into how the game is played. The fundamental rule is to keep the ball bouncing as you skate. You cannot carry it. You can pass the ball to teammates using one or both hands, moving it quickly across the court. If you stop dribbling, you have just 3 seconds to pass the ball. The ultimate objective is to score by shooting the ball into the opposing team's goal, earning 1 point for each successful shot. To ensure the best experience, optimize your performance. Adjust the graphics settings within GameLoop to find a balance between visual quality and frame rate. Make sure your PC meets the recommended system requirements for the game. Also, close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources, leading to smoother and more responsive gameplay during intense matches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.